Hello, happy morning to all my lovely students there. How are you students? I hope you are taking care of your health as well as your parents, grandparents and siblings. As you know, we are on chapter number 21. In that chapter, we have covered the topic perimeter and area also. In part 7, we will be starting with the topic that is volume. So students, today we will be starting with the topic that is volume on page number 174 of your textbook.
We are familiar with solids such as books, boxes, pencils, balls, etc. Each of these objects occupies space. The measure of the space occupied by a solid is called its volume. It is important to understand that plane figures such as squares, triangles, etc. do not occupy space and hence have no volume.
Students, we are familiar with the solid substances or solid objects such as books, balls, pencils, etc. Each of these objects occupies some space. For example, this is a book. I am keeping this on the table. So, इसकी जो जगह होगी that is known as area. But इसकी width, इसकी height, that all comes under volume. The measure of the shape occupied by a solid is its volume. It is important to understand that plane figures such as square, triangle, etc. do not occupy space and hence उन चीजों का वॉल्यूम नहीं कैलकुलेट होता है.
Cuboids, cubes, spheres, cylinders are solid shapes which occupy space and hence possess volume.
You need to know which of the objects
Units of volume. We measure volume of area of a rectangle. Units of volume.
You need to have an idea कि हम कौन-कौन से objects का volume निकालते हैं. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder. Understood? This is important for one marker.
Volume. We measure volume of a solid shape in cubic units. Consider a cube of side 1 meter. L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to 1 meter. We say that volume of this cube is 1 cubic meter or 1 meter cube. Thus, volume of a cube of side 1 millimeter is equal to 1 cubic millimeter.
Students, we need to remember that the volume is always calculated in cube. We measure volume of a solid shape in cubic meters. Consider a cube of side 1 meter. Length, width and height all will remain 1 meter. So, आपको याद है हम area के लिए क्या use करते थे? Whenever we find area, हम उसमें last में meter square लगाते थे. So, in the case of volume, हम हर एक में मीटर क्यूब और सेंटीमीटर क्यूब और we can write in this way also. Cubic millimeter, cubic meters. Understood, students?
Equal to 1 mm cube. Volume of a cube of side 1 centimeter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter equal to 1 centimeter raised to the power of 3. Volume of a cube of side 1 meter is equal to 1 cubic meter equal to 1 meter raised to the power of 3. Conversion of cubic unit. Length units, cubical units. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter.
Students, focus. If you want to conversion, in some sums there might be conversion, so you need to take the account of this also.
Meter cube is equal to 10 into 10 into 10 cubic millimeter equal to 1000 cubic millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 cubic meter is equal to 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube equal to 10 lakh centimeter cube equal to 1000 liters. Remember, standard unit of volume is unit cube or cubic centimeter. Volume of a cuboid. Let us consider a cuboid of length 5 centimeter, breadth.
Now we will have a look on the volume of cuboid. This is a cuboid. In this, the length is 5 centimeter, the breadth is 2
2
centimeter.
centimeter, height 3 centimeter. Let us place cubes of 1 cubic centimeter in this cuboid in a line. Observe that we are able to space 5 into 2 equal to 10 cubes at the bottom layer. Placing layers on top of the bottom layers, we can arrange 3 such layers as the height of the cuboid is 3 centimeter. Thus, volume of the cuboid is equal to cubes per layer into number of layers equal to length into breadth into height equal to 5 centimeter into 2 centimeter into 3 centimeter equal to 30 cubic centimeter. So, volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth.
Students, this was the derivation how the formula of cuboid is framed. You have to learn the formula, that is length into breadth into height. This is the formula for the cuboid, and remember, at the end you will be writing cubic meter or cubic centimeter.
Breadth into height. As B is equal to L into B into H, L is equal to B upon B into H, B is equal to B upon L into H, H is equal.
Students, this all formulas are on page number 175 of your textbook. As you can see, volume equals to length into breadth into height. In some case, you are supposed to find the length. किस टर्म में ऐसा होगा कि आपके पास क्वेश्चन में वॉल्यूम होगा बट आपके पास लेंथ नहीं होगी. In that case, you are supposed to utilize this formula. Volume upon breadth into height. आप breadth और height को multiply करेंगे and then you will be dividing it with volume. It might happen that you are supposed to find the width. In that case, volume upon length into height. सिंपल एक शॉर्टकट. आपको ये फॉर्मूला अच्छे से आता है. एक चीज देखिए, हर एक में वॉल्यूम ऊपर ही है एज अ न्यूमरेटर. सो जो आपके पास रिमेनिंग दो चीजें होंगी दैट विल कम इन डिनोमिनेटर. अंडरस्टूड? इफ फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर सपोज्ड टू फाइंड द हाइट, सो वॉल्यूम अपॉन लेंथ इनटू विड्थ. ओके, इट इज वेरी इजी.
Is equal to V upon L into B. Remember, the measurement of length, breadth and height should be the same unit. Volume of a
Students, remember,
height should be the same.
the measurement of length, breadth and height should be in same unit. Always have a look. This point is common in every topic we discussed till now. So students, in this video, we went through the topic that is volume of cuboid. Let's move to exercise. So students, this is your exercise number 5 on page number 176 of your textbook. So now students, you will find that out of these 5 sums, which sums are related of cuboid, and you will be solving that sums as a part of your worksheet. Let's see the first one. What is the volume of a cuboid, which is 4 centimeter long, that means length is given, 24 centimeter thick width, and 18 centimeter high, that is height. Length, breadth and height is there. We will be able to find the cuboid volume. A cubical container is of side 6.2 centimeter. Find the amount of water it can hold. This is for cube, not for cuboid. A wall is to be built using widths of dimension 20, 16, 8. That is length, width and height. How many widths will be required if the wall is 10 meter long, 5 meter high and 64-meter thick. This is a combination or combined stone. So students, solve your worksheet, and if you have any doubt, you are free to contact your ma'am. Take care of your health. Bye. God bless you.